Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to increase internet speed using bandwidth limit in Windows 10. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click gpedit.msc. Click and expand administrative templates. Click and expand network. Click QoS packet scheduler. Open limit reservable bandwidth. By default, the packet scheduler limits the system to 80% of the bandwidth of a connection. Check enabled. Bandwidth limit percentage to 0. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Local Group Policy Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.